Hi, I'm Christoph. Today I'm going to show you how to cast with the Lampert FUSION. Make sure the machine is set up properly, the mold is coated with release spray, the gas flow is set properly, and if you need more information about these topics, just follow the link in the video description. For casting, depending on material and quantity, you set the rotation speed of the molds between 2000 and 3000 RPM. Before we start casting, make sure to wear safety goggles and gloves. You fill your material into the melting pot. You start the machine and start heating. Melt the material and pour it into the mold in one go. When the cast is finished, you stop the machine by pushing the button again. After the machine has cooled down, you can remove the housing. And you remove the top cover. Now the easiest way is to open these Allen screws on the side to release the mold, and your cast is finished.